Pocket tearing apart? Don't throw these jeans away yet. This tiny tear can become a big problem. Let's fix it before it gets worse. The corner of the back pocket takes a lot of stress. That's why it often tears first. Turning the jeans inside out. Time for a strong repair from the inside. Adding a matching denim patch. Strength first, appearance second. Carefully positioning the patch. Every detail matters. Now the magic begins, reinforcing the damaged area stitch by stitch. Strong enough to last, clean enough to look original. Matching thread makes all the difference. A repair should blend in, not stand out. Final finishing touches. Smooth, strong, professional. Saved instead of replaced. Like, if you love denim repairs, subscribe for more tailoring transformations. What's the next repair you'd like to see?